to Jetta's Kitchen. When cutting out your jack-o'-lantern, save the seeds. They make a great snack when they are baked. Now you want to take the top off and remove the seeds and the pulp. We're going to place these seeds into a bowl of water. While these seeds are soaking, you want to try to remove most of the strings. I'm working the seeds to get the stringy bits off. Don't worry if you don't get it all off, because sometimes that tastes better when it's baked. You want to discard the stringy stuff from the pumpkin. Lay a paper towel on your table and spread the seeds on top of it so we can get them dry. Put the seeds on, spread them apart. Place a towel on top and pat that dry to get the moisture out of the seeds. After the seeds have been dried, I'm going to put it on a sheet pan, and I want to toss them with a little salt and oil. Coat every piece and spread it out so that it's a single layer. We're going to put it in the oven at a 300-degree temperature for 20 to 25 minutes. I've just taken the pumpkin seeds out of the oven. Now they're ready for a snack. I hope you enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.